Why check the app when the time and weather can live right here? In just 30 seconds, I'm gonna add the time, date, and live weather straight to your iPhone home screen. Touch and hold on the home screen until the icons start to jiggle. Tap on Edit at the top left corner. Tap on Add Widget. Search for Calendar to add the date. Swipe to choose the widget style, then tap on Add Widget. Now search for Clock and pick the clock widget you like. Find it and tap on Add Widget. Next, search for Weather, find the widget, and add it to the home screen. To use this widget, location services must be turned on. Now tap on Done, and that's it. To change the default weather location, touch and hold on the widget, then tap on Edit Widget and choose a location from the search results. That's it. You can now check the time, date, and weather right on your home screen. If you've got any questions, drop a comment below and share these tricks with your friends.